Hey everyone, today I recreated this look from Milk1422's makeup charts. Now this person makes amazing face charts. They're so beautiful, so intense. I know I look intense and I know I look a little crazy, but that's because that's the art of it. It's all art. I wish I can have like the little glitter sparkles like the photo, but I got the highlight. If you want to see me transform into this, just keep watching. I'm starting off with the NYX Vivid Cream. I am going to just apply this with a brush all over my lid and on my bottom lid. And I'm going to warn you, this dries very quick, so you have to work with it a little fast. Using my Kat Von D holographic highlighter palette, I'm going to take the pink opal and I'm going to apply it on top of all the cream that I put on my eyes. Taking a black shadow, I'm just trying to intensify my crease and make it a little darker. You're going to see a lot of back and forth trying to achieve this look. I end up going like back with the cream to fix it, and then I'm like back and forth. But this is a transformation, not a tutorial. Unless you want to take it as a tutorial, then go ahead. Zam! Icy! Back at it again with the NYX pink cream! Yeah, remember Damn Daniel? Wonder where's Damn Daniel? Where are you, Damn Daniel? What I was trying to do here was to thin down the black part, just so that it can end up more blended and more just really in the crease. That's why I take concealer and then I'm putting it on top. Like I said, a lot of back and forth. To be honest, I did not think this through. I just went in and did it. I just turned on my camera and did it. I didn't even plan this out. I just really want to recreate the look, so I tried. By the way, that's going to be setting powder that I'm setting the concealer with that I put on my brow bone. Now I'm back with the pink cream because I just can't get enough of it. Now I'm back with the highlighter, just setting that cream. The cream really dries down, so it's not really setting it. It's just giving it a little pop, you know, making it a little glow for the gods. I'm doing a baby wing, like an infant wing. I'm just trying to intensify my lash line. I'm not trying to like wing this out, you know what I'm trying to say? And I use black shadow on my bottom lash line, and then you'll see me back and forth trying to blend it out. Then I end up back with the liquid liner, trying to make the inner corner of my eyes a little more longer pointed. Can't really explain it, but you get it. After all that back and forth blending, I am putting a black liner on my waterline. Then I take the purple highlighter from my Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. This is my favorite part. I love highlighter. Then taking my Anastasia lip kit, I'm going to take the spatula part of the brush, and I'm going to take the white cream and highlight my eye like the drawing. At least I'm trying to. Then I set it a little bit with the pink highlighter from the Kat Von D palette. Then taking that pink highlighter, I'm going to put it in the middle of my lid with my finger to make it a little more glowy and intense like we want it. Now put mascara, and more mascara. Taking the NYX Vivid Cream, I'm going to take that same cream we used for our lids on our brows. Before everything, because I already did the basic part of my face before filming, I ended up putting concealer and some setting powder on my brows just to lighten them so the pink can show more. So I'm going to go back and forth with the cream and then brushing them, and then with the cream and brushing them again. Between all this back and forth, I swear I should be 10 pounds lighter, but I'm not. So taking a dark purple shadow, I'm going to use it to outline the brow and to fill in the ending and a little bit of the middle, just to darken it. Now I'm going back with the cream just to put it in the center and the beginning, just to lighten it, just so it can look a little like the photo, because some of her part of her brows are dark when it's all pink. You get what I'm trying to say? Now we're back with the concealer, trying to make the brows more crisp. So now I'm just putting setting powder on the concealer again. And what I'm going to do to intensify my cheekbones is that I'm going to take a bronzer stick I have from NYX. And it's a cream, but it dries matte. And it doesn't pick up the foundation or anything. So it's perfect to put on powder. Like, it's fine to me at least. So I'm going to swipe it on my cheekbone and blend it with the brush, but instead of just going back and forth, I'm going to flick it going up, and that's going to intensify it and make me look 10,000 pounds lighter. Then for the highlighting portion, we're going back to the Kat Von D palette. We're going to grab the purple highlighter and we're going to highlight our cheekbones, down the nose, the cupid's bow, you know, the simple stuff. Now I'm going to line my lip using a cranberry type of color lip liner. I forgot the color of it, but it's from NYX. After applying my lip liner, I'm going to put my pink matte lipstick, which is also from NYX. And the camera cuts off at some point, so you don't see that. I actually blend it all out together with my finger so that there's no harsh dark line, just so that it can make it contrast from light in the middle to dark on the outer portion of the lips. And then I'm going to put highlighter on top of my lips with the brush. And here's the finished look. Now if I can go back and refilm this, I would have drawn the little stars, but you live and you learn, right? Whatever. I hope you enjoyed this transformation, what that I tried to do. But if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.